Well, good morning and welcome to today's positive news video. And this is one that's close to my heart. Before I retired, I worked on a task force where we were out in the community trying to help people that were calling 911 for unusual reasons. And we went to see what the issues were and what we could do to help. Instead of scolding them for calling 911 for unintended purposes. It was very satisfying work. And in this clip, this is unusual. I'm going to show you a whole clip on here because it's camera footage from a police department, which I believe is generally considered public domain, public record. So I'm going to show you on here. What had happened is this 25-year-old man had called 911 and asked that someone wish him a happy birthday, which seems pretty unusual until you dig a little bit and discover not only is he on the autism spectrum, but he's fairly substantially socially awkward and there's maybe a limit to his intellectual abilities. So this is how this police department responded to that 911 call.
What's up, pal? How are you? What's your name?
Chris.
Chris? I'm Frank.
Nice to meet you.
Israel.
How old are you today? It's your birthday?
25.
Is it your birthday?
Yes, sir.
You're not just making that up.
Yeah, let
me see. We tried to light you candles, man, but the wind blew them out for you. But are you allergic to nuts?
Hell no.
All right, we got you a
give
cake.
me a lighter in my pocket.
We got a lighter. It's just windy. Can we come inside with you?
Yeah, come in the quarter.
Yeah, can we come in the quarter? We're not gonna wake your neighbors, are we? All right, man, Chris.
Oh my God.
Hey, we're happy that you're 25. That's a big number.
How old are you?
Huh?
How old are you?
Oh, we're old, man. We're about 40. He's a little younger than me.
I'm about to be 30.
There you go. Ready? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Chris. Happy birthday to you. There you go, brother. You want to blow him out? Make a wish. There you go.
You got it, boy.
Hey, we wish you the best birthday, okay?
All right.
You gonna
Thank
be all right?
you so much. Yeah.
You gonna be all right? You good?
Yeah,
Sure?
great.
You need anything else?
Nothing.
All right.
This is the boy I can ask for.
All right. Don't need it all at one sitting. All right. Take it easy, brother. God bless you.